a seminar was held for some North Georgia community members focusing on internet safety for children. Channel 3's Casey Freeman joins us now. Casey, what did the class focus on?
Michelle, family members were given practical tips on keeping kids safe from cyberbullying and online predators. A family I spoke to say they keep a close eye on what their children do, but they aren't sure if they are as safe as they can be. Almost everyone has a smart device, a phone, a tablet, a watch. John Winstanley, the CEO of FortSafety, has a passion for protecting others from the dangers of the internet.
I was lost in the internet myself in the late 90s. I was a different person. I had a lot of anger, and I went through a lot of stuff.
Winstanley says any type of cyber threat is only a few clicks away.
I usually, use the typical Snapchat, Facebook, sometimes Instagram still.
During this session in Ringgold, families learned about protecting their kids from internet pornography, trafficking predators, and other social media issues. High schooler Natalie Hope is attending this session because she wants to help her friends.
I have a friend actually that was affected by cyberbullying. I also know some other friends that boys have asked them for certain things.
Natalie's mother, Michelle, is a teacher at Ringgold Elementary. She says the internet is a helpful tool for students, but she knows there's a downside.
But I also hear the children at school talk about things that maybe aren't, exactly what they should be on.
Winstanley suggests instead of taking away the devices, parents should be more interactive.
If the parents would just spend a little bit of time being involved with their children's digital lives, use the internet with your children, not as a babysitter.
You can find some helpful resources from FortSafety inside the WRCB app. Live in the studio, Casey Freeman, Channel 3 Eyewitness.